Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change language on your broker account. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to search for your broker. Then once we're here, we're going to click on trade now since we're logged in. If not, you guys should log in or sign up. We also have different videos for them. So once this page opens, we're going to click on settings. Then as you can see, there's the language option. We're going to click on it. Then these are the list of language your broker supports. So you guys could click on any of the languages, then click on confirm. Then when it reloads, it's going to change the language. As you can see, this is French. And if you guys want to go back, you could go and change the language again. So this is how we do it. It's an easy step. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.